Let me show you how to make this look like such a beautiful presentation.
What's your story?
Hey everybody, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make pumpkin pie, wait for it, breakfast quinoa. Yes, there's nothing better than this time of year having a hot breakfast because it makes you feel cozy. So this is gonna be something so tasty. It's quick because with my lifestyle, I have to make my recipes quick and easy. So stick around with me because it's gonna be so good. So let's do it. Welcome to my stove station where all the magic of cooking happens. So what we're gonna do to get started on our pumpkin pie breakfast quinoa is I'm gonna have my little pan here heating up about a medium heat. So after that's been heating for a little bit, we can start adding our ingredients. So what we wanna do first, we wanna take 1/3 cup of quinoa flakes and add those into our pot. And then we're gonna take 1 cup and 1/4 cup of oat milk. This is the brand that I'm using, Oatly, great brand. And I'm gonna include a list of all the ingredients in the description below so that if you want to go make this as well, then you will have all the tools needed to pull off this recipe for a quick hot breakfast. 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract and add that in. I take pumpkin puree and we're gonna put 1/3 cup of this into the mix. So I'm going to scoop out pumpkin puree and put it into my 1/3 measurement cup so that I can make sure I'm doing the right measurements. Looks so tasty. I just love the smell of pumpkin, you know what I mean? If it's mounding over a little bit, don't fret, don't fret. You can have a little bit more pumpkin in there. All right, so then we'll add that in. Man, I can smell the vanilla and the pumpkin just all soothed together. So it's gonna look really milky right now, but what you wanna do is you just wanna let this cook after everything is mixed together. And then the quinoa flakes will start absorbing this and you'll have a nice little, almost like overnight oats, you know, where you just have like a nice oatmeal breakfast, but instead of oats, you're using quinoa because quinoa is a superfood. So anytime we can get that into our diets, the better. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to this. I'll tell you what, there is something so therapeutic about cooking. When I am cooking, I feel in touch with my roots. I feel creative because I'm making something with my hand. My body feels good because I try to make things that are healthy, or if it's a pastry, I try to make it gluten-free or vegan to avoid dairy as much as possible. So, you know, cooking is just like my zone of relaxation. Okay, so when this starts to thicken up, that means that you're ready to put it into a nice bowl. All right, then let's go back over here and let me show you how to make this look like such a beautiful presentation. All right, everybody, now is the magic moment because we are gonna transfer over our beautiful, oh guys, look at that. Doesn't that just, that's the way to start a day right there. This beautiful quinoa superfood pumpkin pie breakfast. This right here, that's what you need. So, you know, I was always raised that presentation with your food is everything because when you eat with your eyes first. So we are gonna make this beautiful. Because the truth is, even when I'm cooking for myself, I like to make it look beautiful because the way we treat ourselves is the way we should treat others too, and vice versa. So I'm a big believer in just taking a little extra time to make something look beautiful. All right, guys, I'm just here to tell you firsthand that this smells like heaven in the mornings. I'm just blown away right now. All right, so we're just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. You know, sometimes the cinnamon can get away from you when you're sprinkling it, so just be very, very careful. Don't wanna have cinnamon overload. Whew, that packs a punch. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some cranberries in, some walnuts, and those are just our beautiful garnishes on top. We're gonna zigzag some honey to tie it all together. Look at that, guys. That, oh my gosh, that looks so good. All right, everybody, you know what time it is. It's time to give this the true test, which is the taste test. I got my spoon ready for this delicious. So warm and cozy. Oh my gosh, guys. Honestly, when I tasted this, it reminded me of home and family, because it gives you all the same feelings that you have when you're surrounded by people that you love, and that's warmth and coziness and comfort. That's the word. All right, so here's what you want to do. You want to go down below and you want to get all the ingredients for this, because trust me, you are going to want to make this for the holiday season and for family and friends that are coming over. Be like, hey, look what I learned. And then maybe you guys can make it together and it could be a party. How fun would that be? That'd be adorable. So go down below, get the ingredients, make this for yourself. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button so that we can keep hanging out together every single week. Yes, we can keep hanging out together every week. So I will see you guys next time. While you're there, also hit that bell button, because then you'll get notified every time a new video is posted. And I will see you guys next week. And until then, bye y'all. I'm just gonna be here. Spitting this, God.
Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go.